Iconic typewriters. It's your type.
Adivino el parpadeo de las luces que a lo lejos van marcando mi retorno.
Everything about this vintage typewriter is in near mint condition, preserved, protected, and cared for over 80 years. All exposed metal parts are chrome-plated. It can write lines up to 9 inches wide. It features the gorgeous typeface with high visibility at 10 characters per inch. This machine features chrome-plated keytops that are concave, providing subtle tactile feedback. If you're looking for a stunning pre-war classic in impressive condition both cosmetically and mechanically, then this is a stellar choice. Iconic typewriters. It's your type.